Namaste children. Today we are going to see about the new chapter 3, variables in Scratch. What is variables? Variables are the placeholders to the values. These values keep on changing during the program execution. In Scratch, here the variables are represented with blocks shaped like elongated circles uniquely labeled by the programmer. Variables can contain text, numbers, booleans, etc. Now we can see the program using the variables block. Then you can understand the concept thoroughly. Now, how to create a variables? We can see step by step. This is the Scratch application I used in this mobile app. You can also install in your Android mobile phones. Go to the Play Store and install it. First go to the blocks palette and click the data. Here data is the variable block which is orange in color. Now here there are two types, make a variable and make a list. Have to click on make a variable from the blocks palette. It will show the message box. Now you have to enter the variable name. Type the variable name is speed. Now here there are two options there, for all sprites and for this sprite only. I choose this for all sprites and click OK. Now can see the stage area. It will created the variable and there are 4 commands there. We see one by one. First one is set speed. Set speed is to initialize the value of a variable. Change by speed. You can also change the value of the variable. Show variable. It will created on the stage area. And hide variable. It will hide it in the stage area. Using this variable block, we can do one small program. Now we can start the program. Here the default sprite is cat. In this program we should create a ball as a sprite. First I delete this cat sprite and go to new sprite from the library and select the basketball and click OK. The ball will be appear on the stage. Now we should create the variable. In this program we should use the variable blocks, so we use it in the make a variable. Have to type the variable name speed and click OK. Now it will created on the stage. Now we start the script. Whenever we start the program, we used when green flag clicked command, and I use the variable set speed to 0. You should initialize the value of a variable and choose the motion block. You have to assume go to x and y axis. Change the value 0 to 62. Okay, next use the loops, that is repeat until loop. In that condition I use the touch. Whenever we touch the edge, the ball will go down. And inside the repeat until block we use the change speed by negative value I change the negative value -1. Now go to motion block, change by value speed. Whenever the value is y, will be changing up to 10. Erase it. I attach the variable speed, that is y-axis will be changed into speed, and wait a seconds and go to control block, use the wait command. This is a program. Now we can run the program. Now click the green flag button. You can see the ball will moving down. The speed also decreasing. You can see the screen. Now I stop. Again we run the program. If you give negative value, the ball will go downward direction. Now I change the speed into positive value 1. Now the ball will go upward direction. Now we can run the program. You can see the stage. The number of speed will increasing. The ball also go upward direction. Again I stop it. Children, hope you all understand the concept for variables. We will see the remaining part in the next video. Thank you, children.